Hello everyone. So what we have here is the Samsung SSD 980, which is NVMe M.2. I got this one from the Ben Store PC. Using yung accumulated points na meron ako from my previous purchase. And then we have here yung Ugreen na M.2 NVMe enclosure, no? So got this one naman sa Lazada. Ayan siya. So, let's see what's inside and then i-set up natin siya. So, ito guys yung nasa loob. You have here the SSD, which is a NVMe M.2. So, VNAND SSD siya. Not sure if naka-capture siya ng camera. Hello everyone. So what we have here is the Samsung SSD, which is NVMe M.2. So I got this one from Ben Store and ayan siya. I use my accumulated points dun sa mga na-purchase ko noon to have this one. And then this one naman, the Ugreen M.2 NVMe enclosure is galing ng Lazada lang. Ayan. So, yan siya. And, install natin yung SSD sa loob ng enclosure. Ayan. So, what we have here is the SSD. Ito siya. And then, ito yung kanyang tsura. So, next is what we have here is the enclosure. Yan, the Ugreen enclosure. Basically, maliit lang siya. So, kuha tayo ng ruler to measure. No, so, yung 1 inch niya, so 4.5 by 1.5. So, ganun lang siya kalit. Type C na siya. Ayan. And then, it comes with a screwdriver, no? And yung parang secure pad niya. So parang nag-work din siya as thermal heat transfer. Parang yun yung material niya. Yan. To secure lang yung SSD sa loob whenever there's a vibration na nangyayari. So kasama rin dyan yung type C cable, no? Yan. So let's install this one. Kuha lang tayo ng pad. Ayan. So basically, we just need to open this one. So nandito sa gilid yung screw. So open lang natin siya. Ayan. Then hilahin nyo lang. May arrow naman siya, no? So yan siya. Pag ganyan. And then, ayan, nasa baba yung type C. Nasaksakan niya. And then let's open this one. Tanggalin itong screw na to. And then, install natin si SSD. So, kung tingnan nyo yung slot, ayan siya. And then, ganito siya ipapasok. Ganito. Tapos, yung paste or yung pad, dito yung ilalagay. So, para lang siyang double-sided tape. Pero, if you observe yung material niya, parang nagko-conduct siya ng heat. So, para ma-transfer niya siguro dito. And also to secure nga pag may vibration. For me, di ko na siya i-install kasi I might use this enclosure sa ibang M.2. So, baka tanggalin ko siya. So, to install, yan, ano lang siya. Insert nyo dito. So, hindi siya aligned, no? So, okay lang yan. Dahan-dahan nyo lang siya itulak. Ayan, and then press down nyo siya. Then i-screw nyo siya dito. So you have here this screw. And kung mapansin nyo sa screw, meron siyang parang space in between. So dun nyo papasok ito. Ayan, and then i-screw nyo lang siyang ganyan. Ayan, i-tight nyo lang siya. And then, this is how it looks like pag naka-install na. So, kung gusto nyo double check kung okay na siya, pwede natin siyang isaksak sa PC. So, try lang natin if madedetect siya. So, kuha tayo ng PC and then saksak natin to. And then, saksak natin siya dito. Yan, kung makikita nyo, iilaw naman siya. And then, na-detect naman siya nung computer. No? So, since na-detect siya, basically, nag-read na to. And then, can copy the files, etc. You may look na lang with other online video for the benchmark ng speed nila. So basically I'm just showing how to install yung enclosure sa SSD. Ayan. And then if you will be using this one for Mac and Windows, make sure gamitin niyo yung format na exFAT, no? Check lang natin, no? Ayan. So, if you're planning to use these ones for both Windows and Mac, so make sure na exFAT yung format niya pag finormat mo siya at the first use, no? Kasi pag NTFS, only Windows can read and write. Si Mac read lang ang magagawa niya. So, if you're planning to use this one sa both machine, make sure na use the exFAT format. Ayan. So, eject ko lang and then i-remove na natin. Then, you can already put here yung pad if you want to secure yung SSD. Pero sa akin kasi, I might be using this one sa other SSD. So, I'll leave it as it is muna. And, of course, if ganun gagawin nyo, make sure i-secure nyo siya na hindi siya mababagsak, etc. No, kasi it can damage yung SSD nyo. So, yan. Ibalik nyo lang sa parang body niya and then install nyo lang yung kanyang screw. Ayan. So, I think that's it. I hope this video helped you if you're going to install your M.2 NVMe SSD sa isang enclosure. So, thank you for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe now. Again, ito yung dalawang item for this one.